Hello student, welcome again. We'll continue with the future tense. Just now we have studied the past tense. Okay. Now we'll continue with the future tense. You know future tense we have studied, students we have studied from 6th onward, or before that 5th also we have studied the tense. Now you know future tense. Okay. But the future tense describe an action that will take place or expect to take place in future. That future, in future we do not know, but we will say no, that the school will start maybe in the month of, we do not know, will. So, the school will start, no. So, that is future, in future will start, we do not know when it will start. Okay. So, the future tense describe an action that will take place in future. So, that is future tense. Example, the rain will be good for the crops. The rain will be, the rain will. This will is what? Future. Okay? Future will. The rain will be good. Okay? Now, he will be staying back for dinner. Now, he will have finished his homework by 8 p.m. He will have finished. Have. He will. Again, he will have finished his homework by 8 p.m. See, ed again, have finished. Then using will and shall. How we have to use will and shall? We generally we are using will when we speak, no, that time we are using, generally we use will, and shall very rare we use, isn't it? So, we will see now here the future tense can be formed using either shall or will. Shall is mostly used with subject in the first person and will be used with subject in the third person. Will is also used to emphasize the subject determination to do something or to show that an action event will certainly happen in the future, that we are sure that it will happen in the future. See this, the mostly shall is mostly used with subject in the first form. I shall, okay, I shall, we shall, and will is used with subject in the third person. Will is also used to emphasize the subject, you will to do something or to show that an event will certainly happen in the future. It is the event that will happen, surely happen in the future. Now, simple future tense. What is simple future tense? The simple future tense is used for action that will take place at some point in the future. Simple future. It will take place, used for action that will take place at some point in the future. Now, example, we shall set for a trick tomorrow. We shall. We. I, you, we. I is first person, you second, and we is third person. So, we shall, I shall, and we shall. He will study economics for next year. He will study economics for next year. We do not know that he will study or not. He will. Okay, future. He will study economics for next year. Now, using simple present and present continuous to show future tense. Using simple present and present continuous to show future tense. Simple present plus present continuous to show future tense. How it is? We will see. Read this sentence. She leaves for Paris tomorrow. The film is about to start now. We are going to leave for Paris tomorrow. Now, here in the first two sentences the verb is in the simple present tense In the third sentence, the verb is in the present continuous. See, present continuous. She leaves for Paris tomorrow. The film is about to start. Third, we are going to leave. Going, ing, going means it is in the continuous tense. So, in the first two sentences, the verb is in the simple. First two sentences, the verb is in the simple present tense. And in second, the verb is in the third sentence, the verb is in the present continuous tense. Okay. I hope you are getting. However, all three actions are set to happen in the future. All the three, it is going to happen, are set to happen in the future. Maybe it will happen. When simple present tense is used to show future tense, it either uses the base form of the verb or the structure is of the structure. How is the base form of the verb? Now see the structure: is plus about to plus infinitive. When the present continuous tense is used to show future time, it uses the present continuous tense or the structure be plus ing. Present be plus going to plus infinitive. Okay. Be plus going to and plus infinitive. Okay. So, now we will see the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense talk about an action that will occur the future and is expected to continue for a while. Future continuous tense. We will see example: he will be volunteering for the presentation. Okay. He will be, see, will be volunteering, ing. He will be. Okay. We are again continuous tense, so we are putting ing there. They shall be practicing in the tournament. They shall be participating in the tournament. Participating, ing again in the tournament. They shall be participating, ing there. Okay. The structure of the future continuous tense is will or shall plus be plus present participle form of the verb. We will see how it is. See the structure of the future continuous. How is the structure? Will or shall plus be plus present participle form of the verb. Here, now future perfect tense. The future perfect tense refer to an action that will start and be completed at the definite time in the future. Future and future perfect tense. How it is? It is going the action that will start and be completed at definite time, particular time it will complete, that is in the future it will complete. Okay. Example: by this time the next year she will have spent 2 years in Pune. By this time next year she will have spent 2 years in Pune. By this time, see particular definite time in the future, she will have spent 2 years in Pune. Okay. Now, they will have finished shopping for groceries by 3 p.m. They will have finished shopping ing. Okay. See, they will, that is future, have finished shopping for groceries by 3 p.m. Okay. So, now we will go to next future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense refer to an action which will begin in the future and continues for a while till a given moment. How it is? The future perfect continuous tense refer to an action which will begin in the future. It will begin in the future and continues for a while till a given moment. We will see with the example. I will have been studying. I will have been studying English for 2 years by the end of next year. See, I will have been studying English for 2 years. 2 years by the end of next, while till a given moment, the end of the next year. Okay. Here continue is also, studying is also there, have been is also there, and ing continuous tense. Now, here some exercise are there. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the given verb. First, see, fetch. He will fetch the forms tomorrow. She will suffer, it will remain same, will suffer if she will neglect her health. We shall wait till the storm blows over. We shall wait. Shall wait. Here, she will dance on stage for the very first time tomorrow. Here, hopefully the train will arrive on time. Will arrive on time. Okay. So, hopefully the train will arrive. This will, again it will come here. Okay. Here she will dance. Dance will come here. Okay. And we shall wait. Same. Now, fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the given verb. This we have done. Fill in the blanks with the simple present or present continuous tense of the given verb. The examination starts on Friday. Starts. Okay. S will put. Now, it looks as though it is rain. It looks as though it is raining. It looks as though it is raining. We are visiting a hill station over the weekend. We are visiting. Visit. We are visiting. Okay. We must reach the station early as the train is at 6 a.m. Reach. We must reach. Here, fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense of the given verb. They will be, see, here I want to show you. They will be living. This living will come here, student. Okay. They will be living. This answer is here. You have to put this answer here. Okay. Red one is your answer. They will be living for Kanpur. Okay. In the same way, here she will be verifying. Verifying. This will you have to place here. Okay. She will be verifying. Don't write like how I have written. She will be verifying. Here you have to write this. Verifying will come here. Okay. Don't forget. Here also, I shall be I shall be filling. Okay. They will be missing. So, like this you have to do all the exercise I have put in the PDF for you. So, I have done only 5 student. You have to do all the remaining for practicing. Okay. You practice that and fill by yourself, and some I have put in the PDF. Okay. Till then, thank you student. God bless you.